Development communication. First, let's define the difference between developmental and development. When we say developmental, it is an incidental to growth or evolutionary, while development is an act or an instance of developing the process of being developed. People learning new skills, relationship, and values backed by material support given at the right moment. It is also a multidimensional process involving change in structures, attitudes, and institutions as well as the acceleration of economic growth and reduction of absolute poverty. Development is also a social change, particularly in the field of communication, almost always connotes improvement or progress. And raising the masses in the developing countries from poverty, low literacy, unemployment, and social inequality.
Developmental communication is a dynamic and progressive process. It aims for betterment of existing and desirable condition in the society. As a process, development involves the interaction of many variables such as economic, society, cultural, religious, and educational factors. It also the product of development is called growth and progress. Development in people is development of themselves. Their lives people cannot develop if they have no power, and development can only occur if the people can organize their power in their own interests. Economic growth and social change, it is also a growth in ethical values, stressing qualitative improvements in all societies, in all groups and individuals within society.
We are done defining what is developmental and the development. So let's proceed to the objectives of developing country or nation. The first objective is to eradicate mass poverty. Second is to increase agricultural production. Third is to transform the economy. And lastly is to improve and expand social facilities and services.
The first priority of any developmental progress should be towards the improvement of equality of life. No country can go to remain stable and secure for a long time, both politically and economically, if it is the masses are suffering from hunger and diseases.
Development becomes real and tangible only when the basic needs of the poorest are met, and that they are free to participate in planning, decision-making, and implementation of programs which directly concern their problems, interests, and future. The basic needs of man are water, power or electricity, food, shelter, clothing, health services, education, sports and recreation, ecological balance, infrastructure, and livelihood. Development and communication. Communication, transfer of information and understanding from one person to another. It is a way of teaching others with ideas, facts, thoughts, feeling, and values. While effective communication requires the transmission of idea or message in a manner that it is correctly understood by the person receiving the idea or message.
Roles and importance of communication. The role of communication is to harmonize and integrate the various groups so that they are able to develop creative approaches to solving problems and meeting their basic needs. It is also an empirical comparison and linking their ideas to the macro needs of society, like the nation building through improved productivity, national identity, and equitable distribution of resources. Communication as a process of dialogue is essential in transforming society into more human participant and creative communities. Communication also provides the needed links in evolving from one stage to the next so that a smooth transition is affected. Communication or information provides a basis for planning and evaluating priorities, making decisions on trade-offs and other alternatives within criteria to another is avoided. The rules and importance of communication and information are seen as a vital national resources and a crucial component in all development undertakings. As a resource, it serves as a link between individual and group, as a supplier of desired social changes and mobilizes of communities toward these changes as an input in economy and other decision making, and as a catalyst for international peace and understanding. Information and communication play vital role in nation, like in building. Communication is the lifeblood of society.